Thanks for tuning in. This is a beginning video for a playlist for you to learn crochet or your friends to learn crochet, because this playlist is in honor of National Crochet Month. For 18 years, the Crochet Guild of America has celebrated National Crochet Month in the month of March. So as a very special treat, this month in the year 2020, I will be releasing a video every 3 days that is basic crochet stitches. There's gonna be the chain stitch, single crochet, extended single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, how to crochet in a circle. We're gonna do the invisible stitch. We'll do a couple of basic stitches throughout every 3 days in March. There'll be short, quick videos. It'll be showing you how to crochet these stitches. If you have a friend who's always wanted to learn but you're not quite comfortable teaching them, send them to this channel so that they can see the videos. I'm really excited for National Crochet Month. I hope that you are too. What are you doing for National Crochet Month? Let me know in the comments. Send me a link to your Instagram. I'd love to see what you're doing for National Crochet Month. Keep it crafty. Keep it crafty. Bye. The lighting is really bad today, so I do apologize because I'm watching it flash a little bit. It's very overcast here, so it's kind of, I'm watching the blues and ugh. Hey everyone. For 18 years now, the so